Good morning, everyone! Are we all excited for our zoo adventure today?
Yes, Dad! I've been waiting for this all week!
Me too! I want to see the elephants first. All right, let's go see them.
Let me purchase the tickets. 4 adults. Wait, I mean 2 adults and 2 children, please. Of course, sir. Here's your map and your tickets. Enjoy your visit. Thank you very much.
Let me look at this map. The elephants are in section C, which is on the left side. The tigers are in section B, straight ahead. Hawkeye.
Dad, can we see the Royal Bengal tiger? I read about it in my science book.
Absolutely. Learning is always better when we experience things in real life.
Papa, how long will we stay here?
We have plenty of time today. We'll stay as long as you both want to explore.
That's wonderful! I hope we can see all the animals.
We'll try our best, sweetheart, but the zoo is quite big, so we might need to choose our favorites. Come on, let's start walking. Hold hands, children. I don't want anyone getting lost in this crowd.
Okay, look! The monkeys are swinging from branch to branch. They're so funny. That little one is eating a banana.
Monkeys are very intelligent animals. They can solve problems and even use tools. See how they're all staying together and playing with each other?
Mom, can I take a photograph?
Of course you can, darling. Here, use my phone.
But be careful with it. I will! Thanks, Mom!
That's my girl.
Here we are, the big cat area. Let's see if we can spot the Royal Bengal tiger.
There it is! Wow, it's enormous! It's much bigger than I imagined.
Remember to speak quietly, children. We shouldn't disturb the animals.
Tigers sleep for about 16 to 20 hours a day. They save their energy for hunting.
Why is the tiger just lying down? I thought tigers would be running around. So they're just like cats at home. Our cat sleeps all day too.
That's a great comparison, Arav. Tigers and house cats are actually related.
Wow, so they're like cousins?
Exactly. They're part of the same family.
Kitty family.
Look at its stripes. Did you know that each tiger has a unique pattern of stripes, just like human fingerprints?
Really? That's amazing! Finally, the elephants! They're my favorite!
Mine too, sweetie. They're such gentle giants.
Look at that baby elephant playing in the water.
It's spraying water with its trunk. That looks so fun! I wish I could play with it!
They have excellent memory. I read that they can remember places and other elephants for many years.
That's correct. Elephants never forget their family members.
And they're very emotional animals too. They feel sadness, joy, and take care of each other.
Just like we take care of each other in our family.
Papa, can we take lots of pictures today?
Of course, Princess. We'll make a photo album when we get home.
Yay, I'm so happy!
We all are, sweetie.
Yeah, this will be fun!
All this walking has made me thirsty. Shall we take a break and have some snacks?
Yes, please, I'm very hungry.
I knew this would happen, so I packed plenty of food for everyone.
You're the best, Mom!
Let's sit on that bench under the tree.
Here, I packed sandwiches, fruit, and juice boxes for everyone.
Thank you, Mama. These sandwiches look delicious.
While we're eating, why don't we each share our favorite part of the zoo so far?
I loved seeing the baby elephants. They were so playful.
The giraffes still so graceful.
I loved seeing the Royal Bengal tiger. It looked so powerful and beautiful at the same time.
My favorite was the baby elephant. It was so cute and playful.
I enjoyed watching the peacocks display their beautiful feathers.
For me, it's this moment right now. Sitting together as a family and making memories.
According to the map, we haven't seen the birds section yet. Should we go there?
Yes, I love colorful birds.
Can we also see the reptile house? Snakes and crocodiles.
We have time for both. Let's visit the birds first, then the reptiles.
That sounds like a good plan.
Look at that parrot. It's so colorful. Red, green, yellow, and blue.
Those are macaws. They come from South American rainforests.
Can they really talk like people say they can?
They can copy the sounds we make. But they don't really understand the meaning like we do.
amazing! I wish I could have a pet parrot at home.
Parrots need special care, and they live for a very long time. It's a big responsibility.
Dad, can we get a parrot?
Maybe when you're older, we can think about it. For now, let's enjoy seeing them here.
Yes, they're beautiful. So pretty.
This is so cool. Look at that python. It must be at least 10 feet long.
I'm a little scared, Baya. It looks dangerous.
Don't worry, they're safely behind glass. They can't harm us.
Snakes are often misunderstood creatures. They are actually very important for the environment.
They help control the rat population and maintain balance in nature. Without them, there would be too many rodents.
Well, team, we've seen almost everything. It's time to head home now.
Already? I don't want to leave. Can we stay a little longer?
We can come back soon, sweetie. I promise. We've been here for 4 hours, sweetheart. Everyone must be tired by now.
It was an awesome day. Thank you, Mom and Dad, for bringing us here.
You're welcome, children. Did you both enjoy yourselves today?
Yes, I learned so much about elephants and even about snakes.
I enjoyed everything. The tigers were definitely my favorite part of the day.
I'm so glad we could spend this time together as a family.
How about we come back next month and see the animals we missed today?
Yes, please. That would be wonderful.
All right, it's a promise. But first, let's get home. I think someone needs a good nap.
I'm not sleepy at all. I still have so much energy.